Yes, well. And you're like the lily by the water. I give you nothing, never shorter. Well, oh, yes. Listen, I let me love you, girl. Let me. Yes, I've got love. And you alone can turn me on. Cause you're the only one. Well, to keep I calm. And you give me the pleasure to treasure. Listen, I simply just love it when you put it tonight. Cause ain't no other do it better than I. Remember it was love, yes, but don't be shy. This love we constituted could never be diluted. And you're the prescription that the doctor recommended. I let me love you, keep you warm. Yes, I've got love inside, and you alone, yeah, well. Yes, you're the only one. Well, to keep my calm. And you give me the pleasure to treasure. Yes, I'm like the seed that rushes to get show. I watch you keep on pushing. I light. Alright, I I for your love. Alright, for your kisses and your I like, sing. I for your love. When I get it. Yes, African princess, give me your time of your day. It's been a lot of things I've been wanting to say. I love your aroma, your finesse. Oh, I love your dress. I will forgive praise. I know for them, I give me with this time with them go. You're wicked to the core and lovely. Well, you're sexy face. Alright, baby, alright, Rabbi Salute, give thanks for life and all existence. If you know you're real, this is how I'm going to leave it tonight. Are you ready? Let Jali do it. We give thanks for the time and energy. This is a positive one. Alright. I coaxing your own intelligence. And let me see your lighter. Alright. Yes, I look there. I fire. I guess this one is for equal rights and justice. Where I can get red, green, and one. What's your go? Alright, where I can get where I say I let you cause every good day I said I need and I don't stand way cause none of them gone. I say I let you lead that way cause every day I pray. Baseline. Some just I realize the struggle and the pressure we have faced. I'm working hard, I still can't find food for the plate. But no amazing grace. I could is never in them thoughts now. The leaders only full of big talk. I guess them now are the back well. I Babylon the best. Love you.